What's going on, guys? Thrills on the block. It's prime time. So I got some bare metal fenders that are going on the Pole Hunter Camaro. We're going to start with this self-etching primer. Then we're going to use this 2K urethane primer, high build. And we're going to do all of that using this Mark 1. Let's go ahead and get some wax and grease remover, get these things wiped down. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this before I do the wax and grease remover. This has an induction time of 15 minutes, so just so you guys are aware. So you'll mix it 1 to 1, and right here, set for 15 minutes. This stuff's kind of weird. Looks like a camel. Anyway, that's the primer right there. Go ahead and get the activator and put in there. Here's the activator, it's a gallon. Nah, not quite. Alright. There we go. Set the timer for 15 minutes. After we stir it up. I had 2 mixing cups out because I thought I'd need twice as much as I'm thinking, but I think this one will be fine. I'm gonna let that sit there. While that's sitting there, just go ahead and wipe these panels down. Good bite, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a scratch with some sandpaper. That way, make sure we get a good bite with the primer. I got 2 of the Mark 1s here. This one has the interface for your quick release cups, also known as the, and this one has a traditional cup here. Since I'm not going to be mixing, I've already done my mixing, I'll be using this guy. Otherwise I'll be using this, which I'll probably use this anyway. So much easier to clean it up. You just chuck it in the trash. I love it. There's the old camel. Yeah, some wild looking stuff. Grab my respirator, I'm gonna get the spraying. It's been about an hour of dry time on these panels. I'll say I am pretty impressed. Stuff is definitely bonded on there. Pretty impressive. Once it's finished flashing out, then I'm going to hit it with the next primer. Yeah, we'll be hitting it with this step next. That's the SS-2790G-Q. Back here at the mixing table, we have the 2K high build primer. We're going to be using this in the high build mix ratio. So be putting about 20% reducer in there. 4:1 plus 20%. Using one of these cups right here. Very nice cup. So we got 4:1. You look weird at the very back. 5 to the 5, and then the 20% right over there. Oh yeah. That Speedokote primer does a job. Look at that. All those light scratches, everything are done. Got some body work that I've got to take care of. Some body filler in some areas that are pretty heavily scratched or worn out from some old rust. Patch panel there. Some little pinholes to fill. But it did come out very, very nice. Alright, so that's both stages of the Speedokote primer. We started with bare metal, we did some etch primer, and then we went with the 2K over top of that. Our next step will be to take care of the body work to get these things smoothed out and ready for assembly on the car, and then we will move to the prep work on the rest of the car and then paint. So you see Speedokote etch primer, Speedokote 2K primer, and work with the Mark 1. My name's Erwin. This is 3 Wheels in a Block. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.